This song's about alligator on a motorcycle. Word. That alligator, he's on that motorcycle. He's got hundreds of teeth and hundreds of miles per hour because he's on that motorcycle. He's got a loud motorcycle. It's green because he's an alligator. He likes green because he's green. Yeah, alligator on the motorcycle. He goes fast. Why is he on the motorcycle? I don't know. You should ask him. But he's fast. He's got lots of teeth because he's an alligator. He doesn't brush his teeth. He got stinky breath. That alligator stinks. And so does his motorcycle. Because he's an alligator on the motorcycle. P.U. And vroom vroom. Because he's on a motorcycle. Alligator on a motorcycle.